In 1971, a prison was created inside a university basement. It was supposed to be an experiment. Just psychology. Just acting. Just 6 days. But within hours, people changed. Students became prisoners. Others became guards. And something dark woke up between them. Cruelty. Power. Obedience. What started as research became something far more disturbing, because the most terrifying monsters are not always criminals. Sometimes, they are ordinary people given permission. This is the story of the Stanford prison experiment, an experiment that asked one question and left the world afraid of the answer. In the basement of Stanford University, researchers built a fake prison. Bars, cells, uniforms, rules. Everything designed to feel real. Young men were chosen. Healthy, educated, ordinary students. Some were assigned as prisoners, others as guards. It was random, a coin toss, nothing more, or so they thought. Because once the doors closed, the roles stopped feeling like roles. The prisoners were arrested at their homes, handcuffed, searched, humiliated. They were stripped of names and given only numbers. No identity, only obedience. The guards were given uniforms, sunglasses, and authority. And with authority came something dangerous. Permission. At first, it seemed harmless. Then it changed, fast. Guards became cruel. Orders turned into punishment. Punishment turned into humiliation. Sleep was denied. Food was controlled. Fear became routine. And the prisoners began to break. Some cried. Some begged to leave. Some stopped speaking at all. The line between experiment and reality disappeared. Even the researchers stopped seeing students. They saw prisoners. They saw guards. And somehow, they accepted the cruelty. As if the basement had created its own world, a world where power mattered more than humanity. The experiment was supposed to last 2 weeks. It ended after 6 days, because it had gone too far, too quickly, too easily. What shocked people most was not that evil happened. It was how naturally it happened. No one forced it, no one planned it. Ordinary people simply adapted to power, and power changed them. The Stanford prison experiment became one of the most disturbing studies in modern history, not because it proved people are evil, but because it suggested something worse, that under the right conditions, almost anyone can become cruel. Not monsters, not villains, just people. People like neighbors, friends, us. It became a warning about authority, about systems, about what happens when people stop questioning power and start obeying it. Because sometimes, the prison is not the building. It is the role people accept. This has been The Dark Ledger, entry 006. Some cages are made of steel. Others are made of permission.